Welcome back to Sheenie's Corner. Today, I'll be sharing 5 amazing snack ideas that are not only tasty, but also under 100 calories. These are perfect for weight loss, energy boost, or simply enjoying guilt-free snacking. And I'll also give you small tips on how to make them more exciting. So let's begin. A handful of almonds, 6-7 pieces. Almonds are known as brain food. And for good reason. Just 6 to 7 almonds are enough to keep you energized. They're packed with healthy fats, plant-based protein, and vitamin E. Tip: if you soak almonds overnight, they become easier to digest and even healthier. Comparison: instead of grabbing a packet of chips, which gives you 200-300 empty calories, a small handful of almonds will keep you full with just about 95 calories. 1 small apple. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. And it's true. Apples are rich in fiber and antioxidants. A small apple is around 80-90 calories only. Yet it keeps your stomach full for a long time. Tip: for a fun twist, sprinkle a little cinnamon on apple slices. It tastes like a dessert but still stays under 100 calories. Comparison: instead of eating a chocolate bar of 250 calories, replace it with an apple, sweet, juicy, and way healthier. Air pop popcorn, 3 cups. Most people think popcorn is junk food, but it actually depends on how you make it. Air pop popcorn without oil or butter is full of fiber and keeps you satisfied. 3 cups are only around 90 calories. Tip: add a pinch of black pepper or chili powder for flavor without extra calories. Comparison: instead of fried samosas or pack, or as for evening snacks, try popcorn. It's crunchy, filling, and won't make you feel guilty later. Cucumber with hummus, 5 slices plus the TC hummus. Cucumbers are over 90% water, which makes them refreshing and hydrating. When paired with hummus, they turn into a satisfying mini meal. 5 cucumber slices with 2 tablespoons of hummus make a perfect under 100 calorie snack. Tip: you can also try carrot or bell pepper sticks instead of cucumber for variety. Comparison: instead of creamy dips like mayonnaise that are loaded with fat, hummus gives you protein, fiber, and a creamy taste without the extra calories. A cup of fresh strawberries. Strawberries are naturally sweet, rich in vitamin C, and full of antioxidants that are great for your skin and immunity. 1 full cup of fresh strawberries is only about 50 calories. Tip: you can dip strawberries in low-fat yogurt for a mini dessert under 100 calories. Comparison: instead of cookies or biscuits with tea, enjoy a bowl of strawberries. You'll feel light, fresh, and nourished. So these were 5 delicious and healthy snacks you can enjoy anytime, anywhere, all under 100 calories. Remember, small changes in your snacking habits can make a big difference in your health and weight. Tell me in the comments which snack will you try first. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Sheenie's Corner for more healthy eating tips and easy recipes. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and stay happy.